We would like to demonstrate the user-defined fields grid that is new for tools. The original design of the grid is tailored to support Datacolor tools and Datacolor Track electronic color communication. We now have a pane available to us that we can use for this or for any other custom data that is desired to be communicated. To enable the user-defined fields grid, we will right-click on the color data grid and select Switch and user-defined fields from the list. Once the pane opens, a list of predefined custom fields are displayed. The top half corresponds to standard custom fields and the bottom half to the batch. Each field has a name and a value. Values can be entered by the customer and stored as extra data with the samples. These fields are editable by right-clicking on the grid and choosing Grid Configuration. This opens a dialog box that lists available fields on the left and chosen fields on the right. Once a field is chosen, a label can be edited. For example, we will change the field Customer Attention to read Contact Person. Also, the user can select if a field is editable or not, which allows the ability to add values for that field in the grid. The next checkbox allows the user the use of a list box with the field. Here we will choose a list box for the field Customer. When we return to the grid, we can see that the Customer Attention field now reads Contact Person, and we have a list box for customers based on our text file that we built for that list box. Double-clicking on the pane will allow for easier data input, especially when many fields are involved. Let's add our own field. This assumes that you have already created a field with Form Editor. Please refer to your documentation on how to create fields. We will add a field called Shift Number. Right-click on the grid in the batch area and select Grid Configuration. Use the magnifying glass to locate the created field. Choose it and press OK. You can now use the arrows to position the field where desired in the grid. We want our field to be editable, and we want to attach a list box we created. Once complete, press OK. Our field is now available and the user can select from a list of values.